My project called Second Doorway aims to propose new explorations into resocialization of offenders based on AI platform for learning standard committee and a public installation. Recidivism rates remain a pressing issue globally, especially in the United States. Research shows that today's traditional punishment-focused justice system is no longer able to address the personal and social challenges that prisoners face when they return to society, such as difficulty finding employment, psychological problems, and lack of social connections. This is likely to lead to offenders choosing to offend again, so we should shift the focus to the recovery. In this regard, through literature research on the age classification theory, I learned that criminals usually undergo major changes at specific points in time, such as weddings and funerals. Close and stable social ties has a decisive impact on whether offenders return to crime. During the research process, I also find that many institutions are trying to use CBT as the underlying theory of the rehabilitation methods, which can promote the transformation of criminals' moral concepts and self-perception through the teamwork and reflection on the past. Regarding the public's attitude towards criminals, I collected 53 questionnaires, of which 9 people had direct contact with criminals. In the survey of the public attitudes, I find that almost people hold prejudices and stereotypes about criminals and are unwilling to associate with the criminals or provide job opportunities to them. They generally believe that it is necessary to provide education and resocialization service to criminals, and more than half are willing to participate in helping criminals reform. And then I studied 3 resocialization programs, focusing specifically on the Little Scandinavia units at SCI Chester, Pennsylvania, a rehabilitative prison program that attempts to provide offenders with a more natural living environment. But because of its relatively short history, I believe its development potential still needs to be further explored. Based on these surveys, we identify several key issues. Criminals lack the social connections. The public lacks tolerance and communication with criminals, and criminals themselves lack the self-identity and reflection. At this point, our core question is how can design help prisoners reduce social marginalization and social isolation and promote better resocialization after release from prison? In response to the core issue, I put forward 2 ideas. One is to establish a transition community to provide comprehensive service and help predict the risk of the criminals through the digital twin technology. The second one is a learning platform using standard committee as a media to promote creative learning and social interaction. After investigating the technical feasibility of these 2 projects, I choose a more specific and easy to implement learning platform solution because the transition community was too complex and difficult to implement and lacked the attention and the analysis of specific issues. To clarify how the system works and how it helps criminals, I created a user experience diagram. This diagram shows how offenders achieve personal growth and build social connection as they join the clubs, take courses, work in teams, perform, and receive feedback. At the same time, videos are played through the public installations to improve the public perception of offenders, and offenders' psychological changes at each stage are analyzed, with a focus on developing confidence, empathy, and community engagement. I will use a video to describe how the final system works and helps offenders' personal growth and recovery. Welcome to the Second Doorway Standard Community Show Club's online learning platform. Users can enter the learning platform either by registering or by directly logging with their account's credentials. When a user enters the system, the first things they can see is the talk show tutorial platform, which has a wide of courses for users to choose and learn. Users can learn talk show in order from the basic to advanced courses. When entering the courses interface, User can select Take Notes in the upper right corner to enter the collaboration center, or they can select the next class, or like this tutorial. The return key can return to the main interface of the tutorial platform. Whenever a user completes a course, the logo in the lower right corner will light up, indicating that the user has completed this course. After the user has completed the mandatory learning courses required by the platform, the user can start to create a team with other members of this club and start producing performance as a team. After entering the team center, click to create a program fast. There will be the names of all members below. By clicking on each member's name, people can choose to register the role that this member plays in this program, such as actor or screenwriter. In order to help the team communicate better in real time, we have also established a sharing platform. Team members can leave message, mind map, voices in this platform to facilitate team communication. At the bottom of Team Center interface, members can check the progress of the ongoing program production. Click on the recent program to directly enter the production platform, where user can search for resources for the stage scenario. They can also select the tools below to add the stage. Public viewing data for the past programs can also be viewed through 4 basic visual data. User can provide with 4 aspects of the performance audience feedback: number of viewers, viewing completeness, frequency of laughter, and language feedback. Help user better complete future walks. In the process of learning and teamwork, we also provide user with a private writing sessions. User can create text documents to record class notes or their own inspirations and stories. At the same time, user can also forward the documents to other club members to communicate and learn. In order to allow users to obtain a wide range of learning resources, we have created a learning internet for users to learn, where users can obtain a wide range of literature and e-book materials. We have also established a social center to facilitate communication and learning among users. Here, users can socialize, make new social connections, chat. Users can also participate in talk show open mics in the social center. If they want to participate in the open mic performance, user needs to reserve an open mic in advance. When entering the open mic, user can start the talk show performance by clicking Start Talking below. User can also view the order of the performers for that show. If the user is only watching as an audience, they can directly click into the live broadcast room to watch and can vote for the support walks. User can also check their learning progress in the personal goal center to better arrange future learning. For public installations, I also made a 1-to-1 model to determine the appropriate height of installation to ensure that the members of public of different heights can use it comfortably. The main body of public installation is made of recycled plastic fragments to reduce environmental pollution, where hosing extends the life of outdoor products. The public device consists of 2 speakers, 2 recorders, a display screen, and 6 hints, and provides both recording and speaker functions. After user works are uploaded to the cloud, they will be played on the public device in a predetermined order, typically on display from 1 to 3 p.m. and 6 to 8 p.m. This way the public can watch while they are off work or passing by. While watching, the device will record the public's laughter or verbal comments and provide feedback to the user end, promoting indirect communication and tolerance between user and the public. In summary, the Second Doorway project provides criminals with opportunities for change and social integration through the AI platform, while using public devices to promote the interaction between criminals and the public, reduce the prejudice, and improve the social inclusion, aiming to build a more harmonious and stable society.